everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can create this beautiful pattern using double half-hitch knots. Let's get started. To begin, I've gone ahead and attached 3 cords to my dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now, starting with the side here on the left, I'm going to leave off the cord on the very far left, then take the cord next to it and point it down diagonal to the right and tie 4 double half-hitch knots around this rope. Now, I'm going to take that cord on the very far left, point it down diagonal and to the right, and again I'm going to tie 4 double half-hitch knots, leaving off the cord all the way on the far right this time. Now we're going to repeat the exact same process. So I'm going to leave off the cord on the far left, take the next cord, point it down towards the right, and tie 4 double half-hitch knots. Now that cord all the way on the far left points to the right and we tie 4 double half-hitch knots. Just like that. So tying our double half-hitch knots this way causes us to have this fun little design element on the sides. And so now all we're going to do is just keep repeating this pattern over and over again until we have reached the desired length. There we go. This is how you can put a slight twist on tying your double half hitch knots for a really fun design element. I would love to hear in the comments down below what you plan to use this design for in your next macrame or other fiber art project. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.